6 simple habits that can make Mondays more attractive. Let's face it, most of us don't look forward to the beginning of the week. The transition to working days from fun and relaxation can be difficult. After 2 carefree days away from the office, Monday is usually the stressful and busiest part of the week. No wonder we all wanted to be buried in the pillows when our alarms rang. We will not make big promises like you will learn to love on Mondays, but we will talk about some things that can make you more attracted. Here are 6 simple habits that can make Mondays more attractive. 1. Go to bed early. Making Monday more tolerable actually starts before the start of that frightening day. If you want to feel ready for the week, you should actually start on Sunday. What's the best thing you can do? End the day early. Sure, maybe your sleep program is already ruined by your TV sessions that last until 2 days late at night. Or perhaps you have convinced yourself that it is important that you stay awake to finish all the other tasks you have to do. Resist anything that can seduce you and go to bed earlier, so you can start the week at least by feeling a little rested and charged. In addition, the world of science says that sleeping early will be good for your brain. 2. Drink a glass of water as soon as you get up. We're all familiar with her desire to run desperately to a cup of coffee nearby. If it was a day we wanted to take caffeine through the vein, it would be Monday. However, perhaps you should consider replacing your first coffee cup with a glass of cold water. Recent research has shown that 75% of Americans suffer from chronic dehydration, resulting in fatigue, headache, dizziness, and other unpleasant symptoms. Isn't that the last thing you need? So do yourself a favor and get to H2O. 3. Avoid morning meetings. The first day of the week may seem like the perfect time for a meeting, a good chance for everyone to make up for the shortcomings and to have a common point in the next few days. However, although there is nothing wrong with Monday's meetings, it is better to have one of these meetings in the afternoon. Why? Research shows that the afternoon is actually the most energetic and creative time. So, instead of taking notes in a meeting or just being in a conference room, you can use this time for real and productive work. Also, keeping these meetings for later gives everyone a chance to prepare for next week, which means that your meetings will be much more productive. 4. Start the day by doing something productive. Okay, maybe the science world claims we're in the best shape early in the day. But I think we all agree that it will be very difficult to start the day immediately. Even so, you and your brain will benefit you if you make every effort to begin real, meaningful work as soon as possible. Instead of seeing the first few hours of Monday as your chance to do all the normal cleaning work like checking emails, writing endless lists and chatting with colleagues about weekends, start completing a bigger job or project right away. When you start the day with success, you take your motivation and your overall satisfaction one step further, a concept called the principle of progress. 5. Do something you like. Monday can be a little slow. Fortunately, taking some time for something you enjoy can boost your mood a little. Even if it's a favorite sport, a nice time with friends, a walk on your lunch break or a quiet time to sit and read, it's not bad for you to spend some time on Monday. Of course, Monday can mean the beginning of the working week. But that doesn't mean there's no work and no entertainment all day. 6. Smile. You saw this last option and rolled your eyes, didn't you? We can't really blame you. But there are some scientific and undeniable facts here. Even if you start hitting the day, do your best to smile several times a day, so you'll be happier. When Charles Darwin said, "The free expression expressed by the outward signs of an emotion intensifies it," and he was one of the first to propose this idea, and new research supports this idea. If you need a quick mood booster early in the morning, show those pearly whites. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on my channel. Enjoy your week.